Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to send disappearing messages on WhatsApp. Maybe you want to send a sensitive or private message that automatically disappears after a certain period of time. So today I'm going to show you how to send disappearing messages on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your WhatsApp application and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, find the chat with whom you want to send a disappearing message. Once you have selected the chat, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear, and here, tap on this disappearing messages option. In this page, you can now choose the duration after which messages will disappear. You have the option of 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days, or off. Select the desired duration based on your preference. For example, I will choose 24 hours. After that, go back to your chat interface, and here, you can now send disappearing messages. From now on, any new messages sent in this chat will automatically disappear after the chosen duration. Keep in mind that this feature will only apply to messages sent after you have turned it on. There you go. If you wanted to know how to send disappearing messages on WhatsApp, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to send disappearing messages on WhatsApp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.